My parents taught me, Amjad, truth has a quality in it. You don't have to remember it. And if you lie, you cannot remember it. So face the pain, speak truth, and later you don't have to do anything. Just relax and live your life peacefully. But if you lie, you won't be able to sleep. You won't be able to make relationships. You won't be able to keep yourself happy. So truth is truth. It does not change. And also, it does not make the culture of believing as well. Suppose sometimes people don't believe which is truth, but that doesn't change the truth. Truth is always a truth. Nowadays, the society we are living in right now, the culture, our values we have inculcated are actually wrong deeds. And most of the things are very much being practiced, which are all lie, sheer lies. But we say, so what can I do? Everyone is doing it, so I am doing it. So that does not make your character fulfilled. If you feel you want to live happy, with fulfillment, with peaceful life, you have to speak truth. No matter how many people are against you, or you have to stand all alone in the corner. In Toastmasters, sometimes I raise my voice that nepotism should not be practiced. For that, many a times I have to stand alone. But that does not make me a small person. One day, people will believe, people will admit, people will appreciate. Because I truly believe truth is truth, that will not change. Whether right now people believe in you or not, agree with you or not, stand with you or not, speak by you or not, it will remain vital part of our life. It will never change. But people will change their opinions, their mindset, and regret later in times. So I request you all, stand for less number of people if they are speaking truth, because that will make you an empowered person, make you a big person, and tomorrow you will also be known as one of the tycoons or leaders of the world who stood, challenged, and made their name bigger than nations. Truth is truth, ma'am. Thank you.